Are you looking for a way to turn your online presence into a profitable business? Look no further than affiliate marketing. In this video, we'll show you proven strategies and insider tips to start earning a passive income with affiliate marketing, even if you're a complete beginner. Where do you start? How do you choose the right affiliate program? And how do you make money with it? Don't worry, in this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to get started with affiliate marketing, from finding the right products to promote to driving traffic to your affiliate links and maximizing your earnings. Stay tuned and discover how you can monetize your passion and start earning money while you sleep. Affiliate marketing is one of the most lucrative and fastest growing industries on the internet. It's estimated that the industry will be worth over $8 billion by 2023. With affiliate marketing, you can earn a passive income by promoting other people's products and services and earning a commission on every sale you make. Before moving any further, we need to know what is affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing where a business rewards affiliates, individuals or companies, for promoting their products or services and driving traffic to their website or landing page. In other words, as an affiliate marketer, you promote someone else's products or services to your audience, and when someone purchases through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. Affiliate marketing is an effective way for your businesses to increase their sales and visibility while also allowing affiliates to earn a passive income by promoting products or services they believe in. It's a win-win situation for both parties involved, as the business benefits from the increased exposure and sales, while the affiliate earns a commission without having to create their products or handle customer support. How to make money with affiliate marketing. You can see that affiliate marketing is a form of passive revenue. While there is a lot of competition, affiliate marketing may make it quite simple to earn money online. You must research what approaches to product promotion are effective and ineffective if you want to be prosperous. Here are some suggestions if you're wondering, how can I conduct affiliate marketing? Number 1. Choose a profitable niche. To make money with affiliate marketing, you need to identify a profitable niche. This means selecting a specific area of interest or expertise that has a large potential audience and demand for products or services. Look for niches with low competition, high search volume, and strong buyer intent. Once you've identified your niche, research your audience's pain points, needs, and desires, and find affiliate products or services that can solve their problems or fulfill their desires. Number 2, find reputable affiliate programs. Once you've chosen your niche, research and select reputable affiliate programs that offer high-quality products or services that align with your niche and audience. Look for programs that offer competitive commission rates, have a good reputation, and provide resources and support to their affiliates. You can find affiliate programs through affiliate networks, individual companies, or by reaching out to brands directly. Number 3, choose reputable advertisers. When selecting advertisers to promote, make sure to choose reputable companies that offer high-quality products or services and have a good reputation. Check their customers' reviews, ratings, and testimonials, and research their customer service policies and procedures. By promoting reputable advertisers, you can build trust and credibility with your audience and increase the likelihood of conversions and earnings. Number 4, comply with FTC, Federal Trade Commission guidelines. As an affiliate marketer, it's important to comply with the FTC guidelines regarding endorsements and disclosures. Always disclose your affiliate relationships to your audience and ensure that your content is transparent, honest, and accurate. Failure to comply with FTC guidelines can result in legal and financial consequences. Number 5, create valuable content. To promote your affiliate products or services, you need to create valuable content that educates, informs, and entertains your audience. This can include blog posts, videos, podcasts, social media content, and more. Focus on providing value to your audience first and foremost, and then naturally integrate your affiliate promotions into your content. Be authentic, transparent, and honest in your promotions, and only recommend products or services that you truly believe in. Number 6, promote your content. To drive traffic to your content and affiliate links, you need to promote your content through various marketing channels. This can include social media, email marketing, pay to advertise, search engine optimization, SEO, and more. Experiment with different marketing channels and strategies to find what works best for your niche and audience. Number 7, build an email list. One of the most effective ways to promote your affiliate products or services is through email marketing. By building an email list, you can communicate directly with your audience and promote your affiliate offers to your subscribers. Offer a lead magnet or incentive to encourage signups, and then provide valuable content and promotions to keep your subscribers engaged and interested. Number 8, optimize your affiliate strategy. To achieve the best possible results from your affiliate marketing efforts, it's essential to continuously optimize your affiliate strategy. This involves regular monitoring and testing your affiliate campaigns, tracking your results, analyzing your data, and making necessary adjustments to improve your performance. You may need to optimize your landing pages, test different ad copy and creatives, and experiment with various promotions and offers. By focusing on optimization, you can maximize your earnings, conversions, and overall success in the affiliate marketing industry. Number 9, provide value to your audience. The key to long-term success in affiliate marketing is to focus on providing value to your audience. Build trust and credibility with your audience by being honest, transparent, and authentic in your promotions. Provide valuable content and promotions that help your audience solve their problems or achieve their goals, and don't just focus on making a quick sale. Number 10, develop relationships with your audience. Building relationships with your audience is crucial for long-term success in affiliate marketing. Engage with your audience on social media. Respond to comments and questions and create a sense of community around your brand. By building relationships with your audience, you can create a following that trusts and values your recommendations. Number 11, stay up to date with industry trends. To remain competitive and thrive in the affiliate marketing world, it's vital to keep yourself informed about the latest trends and advancements in your niche and the affiliate marketing industry as a whole. One way to stay up to date is by following industry blogs and publications. Attending conferences and networking with other affiliates can also provide valuable insights and help you learn from their experiences. These strategies will equip you with knowledge and tools needed to stay ahead of the curve and succeed in affiliate marketing. Number 12, continuously educate yourself. The world of affiliate marketing is constantly evolving, so it's important to stay up to date with the latest trends and strategies. Continuously educate yourself through the industry blogs, podcasts, and online courses. Attend industry events and connect with other affiliates to learn from their experiences and share knowledge. Number 13, be patient and persistent. Patience is key when it comes to earning money through online affiliate marketing. It takes time and effort to build a successful affiliate marketing business, and success rarely happens overnight. It's important to understand that results may not come immediately, and that it may take months or even years to see significant earnings. Therefore, it's crucial to stay committed, persistent, and patient throughout the process. Be consistent in your efforts, track your progress, and continually make adjustments to improve your performance. Remember that building trust with your audience takes time, and providing value should always be your top priority. By staying patient and putting in the work, you can achieve long-term success and a stable source of passive income through affiliate marketing. Conclusion: affiliate marketing can be a lucrative opportunity for those looking to make money from home. By following these steps outlined in this video, you can create a successful affiliate marketing business that generates passive income. However, it's important to remember that success in affiliate marketing takes time and effort. You must be willing to put in the work, continuously educate yourself, and stay up to date on industry trends and FTC guidelines. With patience and persistence, you can achieve your goals and enjoy the freedom and flexibility that comes with earning money as an affiliate marketer. With persistence, you can achieve your goals and earn money from home. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has provided valuable insights into how to do affiliate marketing. Now, this is it, but soon I will be back with more informative videos. I hope you found it helpful. Please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel for more informative content like this. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update.